right, we're here this morning in the Audi paddock with G-Technic. We're taking this 427 Cobra. It's a kit car. We just found out it's clear-coated. I thought it was single-stage, but it's clear-coated, so that's good for us. We're going to go through the process of taking this rather beat-up paint and restoring it, bringing it back to hopefully as close to looking new, a new paint job as possible. And then we're going to go and we're going to put some protection on it. We're going to coat it with G-Technic Crystal Serum, which I've never experienced before, so I'm excited to do that. And then when we're done with this car, it's going to be auctioned off for the benefit of the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation.
I'm Jim Hutton from G-Technic North America. I am the lead accreditation trainer and manager of the accredited network. We have Matt Mormon and Mike Vergara from Obsessed Garage. And today we are doing a three-step polish, compound, and then light compound and refining polish on this Cobra replica. The biggest challenge today is getting out all of the improper wash method marring and swirl marks that are all over the vehicle.
The issue is that, we do the first set of compounding, the first passes, and then we're still left with some random scratches, some isolated scratches that we've got to continue to work out. And so making, normally on a car I would make a single pass, and instead I'm having to do pass, blowout, pass, blowout, pass, just to get something acceptable. So that's how much more work we're doing than what I'm used to doing. On a new car, a couple of passes, walk away, put some coating on it. So this is quite a bit more work. Plus it's black, so you can see everything. This is probably the worst car I've ever done. So the shape of the car, the condition of the paint, I've never experienced scratches like this. So this will be probably the biggest transformation that I've ever been a part of. And part of that is, it's a 20-plus-year-old a paint job. And so that's going to be the really interesting part. A lot more fun to see. One, it's black, and then two, it's fun to see it transform from jacked up to pretty decent. So that's the goal. The main struggle I face is that I'm good for about half the hood, and then I'm ready to quit. And we got a long way to go. happens when the force pulls you back, your foot naturally comes off the gas. You have to keep your foot to the floor.